Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and today I will be reviewing JBL Reflect Flow Truly Wireless Sports Earbuds. So I did review a couple of other JBL's products for sports earbuds or earphones, and I remember being really satisfied with them, so I hope I like this one too. Alright, let's start. JBL Reflect Flow comes with the earbuds, earrings, ear tips, micro USB charging cable, charging case, and manual warranty. Reflect Flow gives you 10 hours of use at a time and an extra 20 hours of charge from the charging case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour of use. Also, the call clarity was satisfying without drops or interference. Okay, as usual, let's start with the case first. So I'm a huge fan of JBL cases because they're oftentimes very durable and portable, and these are definitely not an exception because they feel durable, they're pretty small in size, very light, and on top of that, it gives you this satisfying click when you close the lid because the magnet part is pretty strong. In terms of the design of the earbuds itself, I think it's pretty straightforward, classic, and simple, which fits the purpose of sports earbuds. And you can control pretty much all the controls on this part of the earbuds, like skip and play tracks, answer calls, or call for voice assist activation. And these are not touch controls. I really like the fact that these aren't touch controls because when I play sports or work out, just like any other part of my body, my hands do get sweaty, and oftentimes sweaty hands and touch controls are not besties. So I really like that part. This also has IPX7 waterproof rating, which means that it can withstand any amount of sweat and even couple splashes under the faucet, which is pretty amazing, right? And okay, now the fit. So I feel like in general, JBL kind of mastered the fit of sports earphones or earbuds because it didn't feel chunky or heavy at all, and I kind of forgot that I was wearing it even after a long time of use. And it fits right into your ear canal supported by this ear horn. So fit-wise, I had no complaints. Okay guys, so I'm going to be 100% honest. JBL products so far has never failed me in the lows, including this one. This one has that JBL signature, powerful, rich, warm, punchy lows, and I noticed how the bass impact was especially powerful. But at the same time, the lows are detailed and very well balanced, so you won't really feel overwhelmed by it. And I feel like the lows on these is generally geared towards, or mostly geared towards hip-hop lovers like me, but it did its role in pretty much all genres because the sound of the instruments had such presence and very, very realistic timbre. So for example, even when I listened to classical strings, I got the same satisfaction. Okay, so the mids on Reflect Flow definitely have presence, but I did realize the low mids were slightly more recessed compared to the upper mids. So when it came to like pop rock or rock, the vocal sounded a little bit forward in the mix. And also in general, the mids were leaning towards a lighter feel rather than juicy, meaty feel. So kind of like chicken breast compared to chicken thighs. It was like chicken breast. But with that being said, the mids were also very, very detailed and well separated. So sounds like guitar strumming or acoustic instruments sounded really, really good. Okay guys, so the high end on JBL Reflective Flow was definitely like very well fried chicken. It was super crisp and tight, but the vocals in general didn't sound harsh at all. And also, it had a good amount of transparency that highlighted the detail and clarity of the sound of instruments. And I noticed the female vocals were very colorful with a lot of room and breath and air that made it sound so pleasing to the ears. So for example, when I listen to this song, I'm gonna butcher the pronunciation, so I'll just show it to you guys. Okay, did it focus? I hope it focused. Dancing Mode Fair by this lady, Elizabeth Andresen. I hope I got that right. It really, the combination of her airy voice and the clear sound of the strings was just overly impressive. And I found this sounding good with pretty much all the genres, but I think it sounded the best in genres like classical, jazz, or opera that features female vocals. So the soundstage, you will find plenty of space and dimension, but in terms of depth, it did feel a bit flat at times. So for example, when I listened to tracks from Bon Iver, like it didn't give me the same holographic experience that some other products do. But I will say, considering that this is like under 150 bucks, the soundstage was pretty up to standard. My final thoughts. So it's really hard to find something to complain about with most of the JBL products, and I feel like because I don't want to be biased, sometimes I'm a little bit harsher when it comes to reviewing JBL things. But honestly, like 100% honest, I couldn't find anything to complain about this one. I feel like from the functionality, fit, design, waterproofness, sound, like everything, it was really satisfactory. So it's kind of like, you know, that one girl in high school who's a captain of all the sports team, leader of 8 different clubs, takes like 9 different AP classes, but she's also a homecoming queen. And you want to be a hater, but you can't because she has a great personality. So this was kind of like that. And honestly, for this price range, I would definitely recommend it, especially for sports use. Yeah, I really liked it. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!